Indian restaurants have been in Oman for a long time, catering to those palates craving Indian food. Most of the joints that you'll be seeing today have been around for over 30 years and counting. For tastes from North India at an affordable price with authentic taste, Ghasitaram Halwai in Al Kuwair was the go-to place. This vegetarian-only restaurant also had a branch in Rui. Today, their Rui branch has now been relocated to Gubra, and good luck trying to get a table on a weekend. Longing for some dabeli or khandvi or vada pav? Pradip Bhai's shop will surely cater to your craving for Gujarati delicacies. Located near the popular Star Cinema in Rui, Pradip's clientele ranges from rich businessmen to students. Raj Kachori, Dabeli, simple club sandwich with his signature red and green chutneys have big takers, and once you visit this place, you will surely come back. It's 35 years and going steady and strong. With a sizable population from Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh residing in Oman, a need for Chettinad cuisine was indeed felt. Woodlands was the answer. Almost 3 decades in Oman, Woodlands has an upmarket ambience and is a favorite of many Westerners residing in Oman. Located in Rui, their typical Chettinad spices and mixes on vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes make you drool for more. Finally, offering a different aura and ambience is Mumtaz Mahal, located in the uptown area of Shati Al Kuram. Small climb up the hill and you are treated not just with a culinary fare but also a visual delight of city views from the restaurant. With roof-to-floor glass windows surrounding the dining area, the place offers Mughlai dishes as well as North Indian flavors. Pre-COVID days, Mumtaz Mahal gave the guests an awesome feel of a royal darbar with live musical evenings filled with ghazal and classical Indian songs. The food and the feel is top-notch.